That is the biggest challenge. Most people have no idea how to buy a house.
Yep.
It's something that we
Right.
need to prepare for a long time. How can I get clients? My advice for loan officer or realtor is pretty simple.
So, bienvenidos todos a un nuevo episodio de la Fábrica de Sueños. Hoy tengo un invitado súper especial. Él es Thuan. So, Thuan is the CEO of Loan Factory. He actually is my boss. So, it is a pleasure having you in this episode because, I mean, you're the boss man. You are not only a boss man for us, you're a friend, you're a coach, which is great for us, for the loan officers. And Thuan, you are the best. You were the top #1 loan officer in the US for 2 consecutive years, right?
Yes.
So it is a pleasure, Thuan. Thank you for coming for this
Thank you for having
episode.
me. Thank you. I would love to be here and talk to all of you.
So yeah, all my community loves real estate. So we have realtors, we have loan officers, and I mean, you know a lot of this business. But why did you join this business? What motivated you to join the real estate world?
I see that almost all of us, we need a house.
Right.
We need a house, and I think it is too difficult to buy a house, especially right now when home price is so expensive, rates are too high. But in general, buying a house is always difficult, right? It's not easy to buy a house. And with my background, I love math. I love to help other people.
So what's your background, Thuan?
I went to UC Berkeley.
All right.
I went to UC Berkeley, and I love math. I love business, and I see a lot of Hispanic. They want to have a house. Of course, all of us want to have a house, but
Right.
it's too difficult.
It is.
I see that most of us have problem getting a house because not only it's expensive, we don't have the down payment, we cannot document our income, and we don't have good credit score. So there's too many problems that preventing us from buying a house. And I want to use my knowledge, my skill to help the people, especially Hispanic people.
And that's beautiful, Thuan, because some people, they don't know. We have to teach them how to get there. That's our work, and it is beautiful to work in this industry.
You know, most people have no idea how to buy a house.
Yep.
What do I need to prepare? What are the criteria? But for me, for you, it's easy for us, right? And that's why we enjoy helping other people, instructing them, show them, or guide them what do they need to do to prepare so that they can be ready to buy the house, right? It's something that we need to prepare for a long time. It's not like a TV, you go out there and buy it. It's a big house, it's
It's
expensive.
not like a one-day transaction. Sometimes we work a lot with a client to buy that house.
Exactly,
But
it's a lot of planning.
We are talking about the Latino community, but you have your own community.
Yes.
And how do you feel when you help somebody from your community? You're Vietnamese, so when you
Feel
help
good.
your people,
you want to
how
help
do
your
you feel?
people, right? And of course, just like Vietnamese people, they want to talk to me in Vietnamese. They feel that I understand them. Whatever their problem, I understand. Just like the same thing with you, Hispanic, right? When they talk to you, they can speak your language. You understand their culture.
That's beautiful.
You understand their problem. Then you can explain to them, and they trust you. So that's how we build relationship with our community. We help our people.
Right. Thuan, that's so true, and I love it. But Thuan, let's go back when you started in this business. So the first couple years is hard. It's hard to understand the business. But what do you say to a loan officer, a real estate agent, that they just got their license? How to get enrolled in this business? What's your advice for them?
My advice for loan officer or realtor is pretty simple. First, you need to make sure you love your job.
That's
You have
so
to love
right.
it. And by loving it, that means you love helping other people.
Thuan, this business is passion.
Exactly. So if you love your job, you love helping other people, then when you go out there, people can feel it. They see it. And they know that, oh, this person is good. they can help me. So that's why I asked you for help. But imagine you are careless, you're not passionate, you don't love real estate, then people will know that and they will not choose you. So if you want to do well in this business, first you need to love it. And then you have to work hard too. You have to work so hard.
Listen, Dad, you have to love it.
And you have to work hard. Nothing is easy, no pain, no gain.
Right.
So you have to learn, you have to go out there, hustle, you have to know clients, you have to learn the business, you have to learn how to go out there and talk to people and help people. You need to learn inside out of your industry, right? Buying real estate, location, right? You need to know your area, your city, your community. You need to know the pricing, you need to know how to negotiate. There's a lot you have to learn. And that's why it's not easy. And if you work hard, you will gain the experience, and over time you become an expert and you become successful.
You know, Thuan, I believe that some people, when they join this business, they believe that it is easy because we just are salespersons. And I think they're wrong, because we have to know everything about the transaction, just not the sale.
Exactly.
We have to know everything, as you said, the rates, the negotiation, the market, because the market is changing every day.
Exactly.
And Thuan, what was the biggest challenge that you had when you joined this industry?
A lot of challenge, but the biggest challenge would be how can I get clients?
Right.
Nobody know you, nobody trusts you, and you are so new. So that is the biggest challenge when you start the new job, the new career like this. You first of all, you don't have the experience, you don't have the knowledge, and you don't have a customer base. People don't know you. So how can you go out there, you talk to people, how can you make them like you, they trust you, they know that you're an expert, and they better choose you instead of other loan officer, other realtor, right? So the bottom line is you need to be better than your competitors.
Right.
You have to be better. And that means when you become a realtor or loan officer, you run your own business, right? And when you run your own business, you need to sit down and find out, okay, this is my business. What is it involved? How do I get client? What do I need to know? How do I market myself? There's a lot of things you have to write out.
We have to do everything ourselves.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You have to take it serious
Yeah.
and plan it. And you need to make sure that wherever you do, you need to be better than your competitor. And then the clients, the customer, they can see that, they will come to you.
Yeah, you're right. And loan factory, I mean, it helps a lot to the loan officer. I can tell it's not because you are here with me. The platform that Loan Factory has is huge. It's good. I mean, the technology that you offer to loan officers it's just different. It is for me, it is the best one.
Yeah,
so
thank you.
How can you help a brand new loan officer, and what Loan Factory offer to any loan officer that would like to join this team?
Thank you for asking me this. So we use technology. We make the job of the loan officer so easy. Instead of doing so many things, learn so many things, now your job is like half done already. It's easy to quote rate. It's easy to communicate to the client. It's easy to take application.
Right.
It's easy to process the loan. We make everything so easy. And loan officer, when they join Loan Factory, they don't have to pay for anything. We offer everything for free. Plus, the loan officer, when they join, they will have the brand name Loan Factory. It's easier for the consumer to like them. And then loan officer, when they join Loan Factory, they have everything needed to go out there to compete, to win. For example, loan officer, when they join Loan Factory, they have good pricing, good rate. They can go out there and say, I have the low rate. Yeah, we can compete, right?
Yep.
So when we run the business, loan officer and realtor, we are running our own business. That means we need to compete. And in order to compete, we need to be better than our competitor. So better pricing, better technology, better process, almost everything better. Better support, better marketing, So that's what we offer loan officers. Whoever joins us, you have everything. We build everything for you.
And we have the best, and you are the best.
Thank you.
When I took the decision to join Loan Factory, I did research about different brokers, but the reason that I joined Loan Factory, it was you, because you were the top one, you were the best one, and it means something, and you are creating something huge in the U.S. So congratulations for it, Thuan. I mean, you're the man.
No, but you really care for your client. You really want to help your client. You want to be better than your competitor.
Right.
That's why you choose to work with Loan Factory.
Right.
And I really appreciate that. You know, our goal together, our goal to help our consumers, helping our realtor. We together, we help our clients. The client will be happy because they can buy the house. The realtor can help them. We can help them get the loan, and the rate is low. That way they can save money.
It's better. It's a better deal.
We care for our clients. That's the bottom line. The more we care for our clients, the more successful we can be.
Well, Thuan, I really appreciate your time. I mean, time is the most important thing, and that you gave us, to me and my community. Sometimes I really appreciate it. Do you have any last thoughts for them? Advice to realtors, loan officers? The last advice that you can give to them?
Thank you for having me. Actually, I really appreciate it. I always want to help the Hispanic community.
That's
I
good.
love it. I love helping the Hispanic community. The main reason is most of the Hispanic, I see they are so naive, they're easygoing, and a lot of time they've been ripped off by other people, and I
You're
feel
right.
bad. I feel bad. So whatever you do, you prepare. You prepare, you have your goal, you're gonna set out, you're gonna do really well so that you can hit your goal. So that is my advice for you. Set your goal, this is what I want to do. And in order to get this, what else you need to do to get there? So, you have to plan out everything.
Step by step and work hard.
Yeah,
Right.
I love to, next time I can introduce my daughter.
Yeah, we would love to do that.
Yeah.
So Thuan just told me that his daughter speaks Spanish, Vietnamese, and English, which is great
Yeah,
to
she
take
speak
care of
3
the community.
languages. Yeah, I myself, back then I want to learn Spanish so I can help
Yeah,
the
that's
Hispanic people.
awesome.
It's too difficult for me.
Right.
So I train my kid so she can speak Spanish. And I hope that one day she can help me helping the Hispanic community. And that would be perfect. I would love to see that.
Well, Thuan, I really appreciate your time.
Thank you.
You're making a change in our communities. We have a minority community that we have to take care of them and just help them to grow in these countries. So thank you very much for your time.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Thuan.